Hi and welcome to another video. Now in this video we're going to start creating our very first app. It's a very simple process, but I'm just going to break it down step by step. Okay, so this is an app that I created yesterday. Okay, and using the keyword research tool, I decided that Magic is a great app to make, and there is very little Magic apps on Amazon. So the usual layout of our app would consist of 4 main tabs. So you'd have your home tab, your menu tab, videos tab, and extras tab. Now this can be changed as well, to content, or articles. You can name this what you want. But the general rule is either home content, content extras, home menu, videos, extras. Okay, and this can be changed. So these are our 4 main tabs. Okay, so tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 and tab 4. These are the 4 main tabs that we will be working with. And the usual layout that we have is tab 1 is the home page. It will usually have either an image and some text about the topic, and it can also list the features and what's in the app. Now I'm going to make an app like this from scratch, but I just want to show you the other tabs. Tab 2 is usually a menu. Okay, and we would have different tabs here. Now we decide on these keywords as well using the keyword research tool. So card magic tricks, coin magic tricks, street magic tricks, and we simply link these tabs in to articles and videos. So if I click on this tab here, this will take me to an article, and this links to another page with simply an image and an article. Okay, so if we click the back button, it brings us back to our main menu page. Tab 3 then would be videos, and same type of tab we would create using the keyword research tool. We would get different topics within the topic magic, and we would click on those tabs then, and it would take us to YouTube videos which are pulled from YouTube. So we don't actually have to create the content ourselves, we just need to create the pages and put YouTube videos in there, and I will show you how to do that also. So you can see here's a list of YouTube videos on that topic. Okay, and the software will pull the videos from YouTube automatically once you insert the topic. And tab 4 then would usually be an extras tab, and at the moment we have inserted a messenger where users can talk to each other about the topic magic. Now this is what's known as iOS features. So iTunes like to have apps that are not just full of videos and articles and actually provide value. So including a messenger feature is a good idea for iTunes. You don't have to do that for Amazon, it can be more simple, and we can put a contact page here. Okay, so that's what we will do for the Kindle version for starting out. So we have again 4 tabs: home, menu, videos and extras. Okay, now inside the builder, to edit these pages we use edit pages. Okay, and we can edit these pages inside the builder. Okay, so from the very start you will need to log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, then you will need to select the template. So we're just going to select the first one here. It doesn't really matter what template you do select. This will show the template here on the left hand side, and we will name this template. So you can name it the name of your app that you're going to make, depending on the research that you're doing. Now I would ask that you wouldn't copy my apps, because if everybody copies my apps, then nobody will make money. So name the app and select use this template. So we need to make sure that native Kindle is selected here. Okay, so we're going to create our first app for Amazon, and click on next, click standard tabs. Okay, that should be selected by default. Next, next, and done. Okay, now this will by default make this template work on Amazon. Okay, so click on save and done. Now this will take us to the builder. You will see here tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 and tab 4. And these are the tabs here that I showed you. Tab 1, tab 2, tab 3 and tab 4. Okay, now 4 tabs is enough. So we want to create a new page. So you can click on the plus button here and click on grid view. Now we need to select a HTML style page. So we can select any one of these, but let's go ahead and select classic letter HTML and scroll down and click on next. Now this will ask you to name the tab. So we need to name this tab 1. Now this will overwrite our current tab 1. Okay, so this is going to be our first tab. Click on create. And for now, click on save and done. Now, if everything is done correctly, this should be selected on your home tab, okay, which is tab 1. So now we need to edit the content. Let's go ahead and edit the content. So we click on edit on tab 1 and click on design. And the first thing we want to do is insert an image about our topic. So click on this square button here. This is for an image. Now we can upload an image from our computer, or we can search Google resource. So select that and type in magic or your topic. In my case it's magic. Okay, this will bring up different images from Google. Now the one that you like, that you think suits best, click on add to resources and click on choose file. You may want to center the image. Okay, now you can get a bigger image. You can also resize it as well and upload it, but just center the image by clicking this button here. Now we need to get content for our home page. So you can simply, write different content yourself, okay, or you can get content online from various different sites such as eZine articles and rewrite the content, or you can spin it as well. Your other option is to ask permission from someone who's already written an article on eZinearticles.com, or you can place their article in your app and put a link in there to their site. Now I would not recommend this, but it is possible to do this, but I would not recommend it. I think the best thing is to do is go out and search for articles and just rewrite it a little bit, and then you won't be copying it. So you would put some text, about introduction to magic. And the tools on the left hand side then will help you center the text. So just a very basic introduction to your topic. Now I'm not going to write a full article here just for the sake of time, but you would simply write your article and copy and paste it in here, change it around a little bit, and that's your article. Okay, if you're a good writer, you can write it yourself also. So click on save and done. Okay, so that's tab 1 done, and we need to move on to tab 2, and we're going to do that in the next video.